Introducing the TRON Transition Drone from Germany's Quantum Systems. This highly advanced 14-kilogram aircraft combines the long-range efficiency of a fixed-wing UAV with the vertical takeoff ability of a copter drone. This eliminates the need for a runway, additional equipment, or a human or mechanical catapult. Requiring very little ground space, TRON's 4 electrically driven propellers lift it vertically into the air toward the direction of its destination. Shortly afterward, the TRON enters the transition phase. Its forward propellers swing down to the vertical position for forward flight, while the rear propellers swing back and close into rear-facing points. Once in cruise flight mode, the TRON can travel 160 kilometers at speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour between 70 and 120 minutes. With applications that include precision farming, site inspection, 3D mapping, or delivering up to 2 kilograms of needed medical or other supplies, the Quantum TRON Transition Drone provides an effective, emission-free solution for the future. Another drone using a similar system to the Quantum TRON is the AeroVironment QUANTIX. The QUANTIX uses its 4 propellers to take off nose up, like a missile or rocket. Shortly after takeoff, the propellers reposition for horizontal flight as a fixed-wing aircraft. Upon landing, the QUANTIX transitions back to quadcopter configuration for a vertical touchdown, nose pointed to the sky. While that is truly awesome, the QUANTIX mission is what really makes it noteworthy. In years to come, food production will need to double to keep up with the growing population. QUANTIX's array of sensors can help farmers pinpoint the need of their crops far more efficiently, allowing for greater food production. For performing such an important task and looking totally cool while doing it, the AeroVironment QUANTIX definitely deserves a standing ovation. Check out the new SELFIE, a great little flying drone camera system. Connected to your smartphone, this pocket-sized wonder can soar up to 20 meters above to capture pics or video of you or your whole group. Whether you want a close-up of your own awesome face or a wide-angle shot, the 4 turbofan propellers let you position the SELFIE exactly where you need it. With a built-in anti-vibration shock absorber and 5-megapixel camera, you'll capture clear, stable images. Just remove the SELFIE from its special charging case, turn it on, and start the app on your smartphone. Once engaged, the lift button will get your SELFIE airborne. Once you've adjusted the height and angle and set the SELFIE to hover in position, you're ready to shoot. You can land your SELFIE with the app, or just grab it out of the air. With the SELFIE, you'll get the right shot, and the whole shot, every time. Great ideas for drones are on the horizon, and the shift drone and controller concept is one of them. Probably the most revolutionary part of this innovative idea is the shift controller. Rather than requiring 2 hands to hold and operate the controller, the shift controller lets you do both with 1 hand. Fitting comfortably in your palm, this revolutionary device has a unique thumb control that protrudes from the base. Just slide your thumb into the ring and control your drone by moving your thumb. The Shift drone is an eye-catching silver quadcopter with beautifully shaped propeller guards. Its 13-megapixel tilt-enabled camera streams 4K video with 8 gigabytes of internal flash memory. Maximum speed is 80 kilometers per hour or 49.7 miles per hour with 30 minutes of flight time. Paired to a smartphone, footage can be monitored in real time. A mini drone is also in the works. Though the Shift concept is not yet ready for release to the public, we're hoping this awesome system becomes available soon. This insane drone turns your smart device into a fish finder. Introducing the AGUADRONE, a ridiculously cool waterproof drone that not only lets you find the fish, it can actually help you catch the fish too. And just so everyone will believe your fishtails, this crazy drone lets you catch it all on video. Able to take off and land on fresh or salt water, the all-weather, all-environment AGUADRONE is fully modular. Its quick change pod accessory system includes a fish finder pod, a remote bait casting pod, and a waterproof camera that lets you capture the action from above or below the water. The Find Pod is a Wi-Fi enabled fish finder that sends images to your smart device. For fishing, just attach your fishing line and bait to the fish pod. You can then fly it out to your chosen spot and release it with the push of a button. With the AGUADRONE, your odds for finally catching the one that got away just got better.